you're recording a video, depending on the purpose or the platform you're going to be uploading or streaming that video, that's going to determine the position or the frame rate or the posture your phone will assume. So if you're recording a video for IGTV, you want to record like this. You want your phone to stand portrait, right? For IGTV, that's how it should be. Or Instagram stories, it should be like this. However, on a general norm, the best way to record a video is horizontally. You want to put your phone in a horizontal mode, just like this. YouTube videos and even longer videos, it just works this way. It's just fantastic like this, right? Now, if you even turn it horizontally, it's also important the way you turn it. Now, on this phone, my camera is central, so it's quite okay. But some of you might have your lens here, your camera lens here, some might have down here. So when you're turning your video, ensure that your camera lens is on top. So you don't turn it like this and then your camera lens is down. If your camera lens is on one side, then it's down and then it's up. No, it's going to affect because it's more like it's looking up, or you're looking up or down to the camera. So you want to ensure that the camera is positioned up. That's for normal videos. And this is the horizontal frame rate, and then this is the vertical. So for Instagram story, you want to do this. For IGTV, you might want to do this as well. But if you're going to YouTube, you want to do this. And trust me, if you do this, it can also fit on IGTV or Instagram. You only might need to adjust it. Maybe when you're editing, you ensure that it's fixed within that frame rate. So that's how to record using your phone. Another very important thing when recording is use a microphone. If you have one, you can get microphones from as low as 6,000 naira, 10,000. I'm talking about in Nigerian currency. Depends on your currency. You can get quite a number of them, but it's important to get a noise cancelling microphone. It's going to do you so much good. Another thing I'll tell you about is the ring light. When you're recording, it is very important that you have your ring light, or you have enough light in your room. Natural light is the best, of course, but if you don't have natural light, you want to have your ring light. And when you're recording, you should face opposite the ring light. So for example, if the window is there just in front of me, I should sit opposite it. I should not back the window. Don't back the window. Don't back the source of light. Don't back your ring light. It should face you. I hope with this illustrations, the demonstrations I've given in the slide video makes it clearer for you to make amazing videos. Thank you.